you had a break from working out and you want to start over again, try to hit all your muscles at the same time and then start your program or your plan as normal, like shoulders day, back day, chest day.
My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Take my eyes open.
What is up guys, new day, new video, welcome to the channel. It is the last day here in Tétouan. Tomorrow we're gonna be heading to Germany. It is early in the morning, everyone is sleeping still, but we cannot go back without going to a gym, a local gym, and hitting a nice full body workout. So it's gonna be a crazy workout today. We and my brother and my other brother from another mother, we are going to the gym.
I'm not your brother.
We're gonna start with some deadlifting and then we're gonna see what our body can do this day. So stay tuned for it. Let's go. As you see guys, the first exercise was the deadlift. It has been now 3 weeks since I did my last deadlift session, but I still have some strength in my legs, in my hamstrings and glutes, so that's why I'm gonna hit my 1 rep max and I'm gonna see how it's gonna be. So let's go. That was nice guys. See you in the next exercise. Yeah. Next exercise guys will be the incline bench press with dumbbells. Like I said, it's gonna be a full body workout, so that's why I'm gonna try to hit all my muscles today so that I can get to my routine again after this vacation, this long vacation, and then we're gonna start from there. So it's gonna be the incline bench press. Let's go. see, guys, next exercise after the incline bench press, because we started every time with the incline because our upper side or upper chest side is the weakest in our chest. We start with it, and now we are hitting the bench press. Here you can see my brother performing the exercise really well. As you can see, the elbows are not too wide, and he's taking his time with the exercise so that he can benefit from it.
Let me just talk one time. Whoa. Whoa. Can't make a promise, but I do my best. 25 sitting on 25 racks. Just got started, no, we ain't done yet. Bought a new crib, that's a goddamn flex. Sign that check. Told them last year that I've been up next. Can't take calls, but I send that text from way downtown, but the shit's still wet. Yeah, that's a guarantee. King of the city, man, they knowing that it's me. 8 damn years, still doing it with ease, cause it ain't that hard when I'm talking about me. Me and my funds, told them I get what I want. I need my money up front. I do not do this for fun. So I've been here my whole life, I ain't seen them here once. Told them I ain't playing, they don't wanna get hurt, dog. It's about time I just show them how.
Next exercise, guys, will be the back cable rows. As you can see, this is the machine for it. We try to hit today only the basics for our muscles, like for the back 2 exercises, chest also, and we started with the deadlift as you saw, so that we can of course hit all the muscles at the same time. If you had a break from working out and you want to start over again, try to hit all your muscles at the same time, and then start your program or your plan as normal, like shoulders day, back day, chest day. Let's get to work. To end this workout, guys, we're gonna hit some biceps and triceps combined, like a superset, and we're gonna be done. As you can see, we start with the biceps curls, cable biceps curls, and we are doing some triceps pull downs, and that's gonna be it for the workout of today. So stay tuned until the end. It's gonna be epic. And that was it, guys. That was the workout for today. We are done. We hit a full body workout here in this awesome gym in Tétouan in Morocco. It was epic. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoyed the video, and of course I hope you try it yourself also. And now, as always, if you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe if you are new to the channel, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.